We all are so curious to know about our horoscope or our, we can say, Bhavishya. And where we get to know this all from? From our signs, zodiac signs in astrology. So first we should understand what are the signs and how we can check it. For that, I am Tejasvi from Cosmic Breath. Today here with you all to know about in detail and understand the signs and type of signs, so we can check our horoscopes based on that. So there are three different types of signs: moon sign, sun sign, and there is ascendant also. So what is moon sign? Moon sign is the sign which reveals a lot about our personality, our emotions, intuitions, our flow towards life, our subconscious mind. It also indicates our relationships with the main maternal influences in our life, as well as how you nurture and care of others. That also we can see, we can find out from our moon sign. So what exactly is the moon sign? Moon sign is the zodiac sign that the moon was passing through at the exact same time while your birth. There are many softwares available to find out which is our moon sign, sun sign and zodiac sign. All you have to know is your exact birth date, birth time and birthplace. You can simply find out three of these, and which will make you easy to understand astrology and your own life graph. Now we will see what are the ascendant. The ascendant sign, it is in Vedic astrology it is called as a Lagna also. So the ascendant means is the first moment of contact between your soul and your body in this new life on earth. It's your physical body and the entire approach towards life. Many astrologers calling it as an ascendant is the public mask which we wear. That means how we socialize, how we present ourselves, how we hide our emotions and feelings, that all we can know about our ascendant. Ascendant is also known as a Lagna, and ascendant is the sign which was rising on eastern horizon at the exact time while we are taking birth. Now the third sign is sun sign. Sun sign is the base on the time of your birth. Sun was located in which sign on that. Usually sun takes 30 days in each sign. So you can see the western signs, we can say in western sign every 30 days or every month the one particular sign has given for that month. Now if we go month wise and we check our horoscope, it absolutely will help us to know about our journey in that particular month or life ahead. But if we consider moon sign and then we check, since the moon changing its journey in every Rashi, or you can say sign, in every 2.5 days, and it is the Karaka of our soul and our emotions, it is always better to go with moon sign for monthly predictions or weekly predictions. So the moon is the soul behind our identity. Sun is our identity. And the sun is the rising sign or the ascendant, which is our social behavior. Our social behavior in this life. Now after that, once we understand this, it is quite easy to check our monthly horoscopes. I'm going to come with monthly horoscopes. That time, by the time, I hope you all will find out which signs are yours, and we will see our horoscopes based on moon signs. There was some exams going on regarding astrology, and then I couldn't grab continuity, I couldn't keep continuity in my astrological videos. But from today I have decided I'll do at least one video a day to keep sharing my knowledge with you all. So I'll see you again. The same video, there was a request that people wanted in Hindi. Same video I'm making in Hindi, and I'll mention it's in Hindi in the bracket, and I will share at the same time. Each video I will share in English and Hindi, both languages, for everyone's convenience. Thank you for your support and coordination. Stay blessed, stay connected with Cosmic Breath. See you again. Shubham Bhavatu.